What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good morning from Canada. Hope you had a terrific weekend. We're going to go over our friend Matic. Beautiful bounce. We're sitting at 173. We're up about 9% on the day. We're sitting on a market cap of 12.07 billion. 24-hour volume 1.03 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. And you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives depending on the level of card that you have. $25 in their native coin just for signing up through my referral. So let's start here on the 4-hour chart. So we came down to our buy zone at 170. We had a beautiful trade here of about 15-16%. We came down to 170 and we wicked all the way down to our buy zone at 150, bringing your average price down to about 159. So currently you're in profit here so far about 8%, and I have my take profit zone here at $1.82, and that's a juicy trade opportunity of about 14% for Matic. So I want to pop over to the daily time frame because we're looking really healthy for continuation. So you can see here, you can see it with Bitcoin, you can see it with Ethereum. We beautifully bounced off this trend line. You can see here we had an impulsive wave, came back down to this trend line, found support on the 0.382 bounce. Next impulsive wave, come down to the golden ratio, find support along this trend line, bounce. So if we get back above the EMAs here, we're seeing a lot of confluence and a lot of strong signs for continuation. We break 206, we can come up and tackle our high here at 281. We have our patterns, this falling wedge. We have this bull flag. You could also say this is a bull flag as well. And we have this target from this channel, which is up here at about 217. So we're gonna pop over to Ethereum. Quick drink of water, guys. Hope you're well. Hope the pets are healthy. Oh, this one has a straw. So you can see here we've created some sort of double bottom, triple bottom. We've come down and touched this support 3 times right here. 1, 2, 3. We created a little bit of a double bottom on the smaller time frame right here, double bottom. And we've broken out. We're getting back above the EMAs on the 4-hour, which is a strong sign here. So if we can come up and break this neckline, your target is up here at 4951. Now, if we look at Ethereum here on the 1-day chart, you can see the same thing with this trend line of support. Impulsive wave, fall back to the 0.5 on the fib, bounce right off that trend line. Next impulsive wave, and we've come right back down to that trend line, and we've seen a little bit of a bounce. And we're creating a strong level of support. So that main resistance that I've been talking about, I don't know how long, I guess a couple of weeks now, at 4416 needs to be broken. We are looking healthy, guys, but that's our major resistance to break. However, if we look at Bitcoin, you're going to see the exact same thing. We also may see a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders. You can see here left shoulder, here would be your head, and we may see our right shoulder form. And if we can break that neckline, our target is all the way here at 63.7K. That would be absolutely beautiful and extremely exciting in my opinion for Bitcoin. We'll quickly look at the trend line. I just want to show you guys the trend line here. So you can see here, we had our impulsive wave, we came right back down to the trend line of support. We had our next impulsive wave, we came back down to the 0.786 on the Fibonacci, bounced beautifully off this trend line. So we get back above the EMAs here, that's when we can see our breakout. Of course we could roll, there's always a possibility. Maybe we'll come back down to create a double bottom. But as long as we hold this trend line of support, we're looking good for continuation. It's not until that trend line is broken that we'd have to start giving lower price targets. All right, guys, so we'll finish off the video here with Matic. So if you are using our DCA strategy, take profit levels at 182, 196. We're back above the EMAs. We're beautifully holding this trend line of support, and we're looking good to go for continuation in my opinion. We went through our ABC correction. We're holding the golden ratio. We come up, we break the 0.786, and that's when we can start heading up to our previous all-time high and start entering into price discovery for Matic. I'm going to quickly pop open the MACD and see what we can see here on the MACD on the daily. Okay, guys, so we're just printing the bearish cross. Let me open this up just so everything's more visible, guys. Let me know how you're doing in the comment section. Let's go to style here. Let me know how the family's doing, how the pets are doing. You guys know I care about that stuff. So so we're just going to thicken these lines so it's easier for you guys to see here. So the blue line is your MACD and the orange line is your signal line. And I'm just going to open this up so you guys can see it better. Open, open, open. And you can see we're almost having the bullish cross. And you can see right here we had the bullish cross, beautiful pump. We had the bullish cross right here, beautiful pump. We had the bullish cross way down at the start of our bull run, beautiful, massive pump. for Polygon. So we're just about to see the bullish cross once again. So that can be a strong signal that we're going to see another beautiful pump. So we'll give our next impulsive wave target. If this is our true bottom, take your Fibonacci, previous swing high down to your swing low, and you target the 1.618, which is coming in here at about $2.82, which would break the previous all-time high, and we'd be heading into price discovery. We have our bull run targets, the 1.618, 677. We have the dream price at 1181 and the 2.272, which is sitting at 1767 for Matic. But as of right now, our bull run target is here at the 1.618 at 677. All right, guys, quick shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members. We're posting chart patterns, funny memes. We're talking all things crypto. We're posting profits. You can see here this man went 50x on See a Coin long to 84. Some of the guys in here are using like 50 to 100x leverage. Absolutely crazy stuff. I would never do that. I would never recommend it, but to each their own. You can sign up through the Patreon price of a coffee. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Much love. Take care.